My feels are like a river, can't lie. A proper rush, the current running high. It's fire and ice, both joy and all the rage, destined to burst right off the page. But we'll chill for a minute, you and me, 'cause when it hits, we're both gonna be history. The dam is gonna blow. Yeah, it's well past time. We should have smashed this wall, ditching the paradigm. Or maybe just not built it, but who could have clocked at 19? You think this is forever shocked, and the whole damn thing is built full till not stop. Turns out the build is solid, yeah, more than we thought. 'Cause mad buzz and enthusiasm is what the foundation's got. This proper structure built on sheer puppy love is soft at the core, tearing it down is blood on your fists and your soul on the floor. We're only learning how to mend the The dam is gonna blow. Yeah, it's well past time. We should have smashed this wall, ditching the paradigm. Or maybe just not built it, but who could have clocked at 19? You think this is forever shot, and the whole damn thing is built full tilt, not stop. It's gonna hurt bad, but we hold fast. It's gonna hurt bad. These first set of lessons, same old tune. Everyone's convinced it's coming soon. The truth can't hack it. It's gonna hurt bad, but we hold fast. It's gonna hurt bad. The dam is gonna blow. Yeah, it's well past time. We should have smashed this wall, ditching the paradigm. Or maybe just not built it, but who could have clocked at 19? You think this is forever shot, and the whole damn thing is built full tilt, not stop. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're only learning how to mend